In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable text message notification bubbles on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open the Messages app. So I'll be using Google Messages because it's my default messaging services. And then what you want to do, because I'm signed in, is tap on your profile icon. And once you've tapped on your profile icon, select Message Settings. Here, you should see bubbles, so tap on that. And as you can see, mine is currently set to none. So you can have it set to selected only, which is a certain amount or certain contacts with whom you'll see the bubbles, the message bubble. Or you can have it set to all your contacts. So this means that whenever one of these contacts ever sends me a message, it will appear as a bubble on my screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.